Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Saad, and in this video we'll see that how to promote MaxBounty offers. So if you have a MaxBounty account and you're looking for the free traffic methods, I will show you that how to promote MaxBounty offers for free. But you have to have a website or a landing page to promote a CPA offer. So for that we have too many social platforms like TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram. So now I'm gonna show you that what type of offers are converting on these social platforms. So this is my MaxBounty dashboard and I'm logged in. Currently there are some offers that are double opt-in, single opt-in, and some of them are email submit offers, or some of the offers have the sale cost per sale option. So currently we have the browse section over here, and we're gonna click on browse. Now just to see or explore some new offers in MaxBounty, you have to browse the top or trending offers that are currently converting like crazy. So I'm gonna click on trending. Alright, so we have the inbox dollar, survey junkie, survey voices, survey junkie again, US, Canada, Australia, get a Visa gift card. Now this type of offer, like get a Visa gift card in, this offer is available to run in United States. Now I'm gonna open this offer and let's see what is the EPC, earning per click, average, or earning per conversion. What is the average? So my status of this offer is approved, and this campaign does not have a daily cap. I mean, I can send unlimited leads to this offer. Right now they are paying $2.40 per lead, and their EPC is quite good. And here they are asking about to send the social traffic. So we can now promote this offer on Facebook, Instagram. So what I have to do is I have to go to TikTok, and when you open up the TikTok, what you have to do is you have to upload a free video and edit them with the text or the whatever, how do you want to make videos on this offer. You can also look on YouTube that how to make videos to promote offers. So what we have is we have TikTok, and we also have Pinterest and Twitter and Instagram. We will post the same video or the same image and link our affiliate link to the landing page. So for the landing page you can use sites.google.com, which is free, and you can build a simple good looking landing page for your MaxBounty offers and start promoting anywhere you want. But I want to mention one thing, that you should not spam in the Facebook groups or wherever the traffic is junk, like in most of the Asian countries like Nigeria, Bangladesh, or just like that. You should not send the bot traffic to these kind of offers, as it can get your MaxBounty account suspended. So when you start promoting, you have to wait for a few days. Maybe when you get a high number of the traffic, then you can start earning money in like dollars. So for instance, you get $2.40 per lead, and you make like 10 or 15 leads per day. You can easily make like $20 per day with these kind of offers. And you can also look to other offers and click on trending. There are many offers, and if you're interested in the sales offer, you have to have the high number of traffic, or you have to have a proper website or a niche website on specific offer. For example, you pick up the travel offer and start promoting on a website that has around 100 or 200 US visitors per day. That will be a good idea too, or you can attach the banner of your offer to your website, and that will convert like crazy if you have top geo traffic. So this is all simple to the point, and everything I have told in this video is actually helpful. If it's helpful, you can subscribe to the channel and comment or ask anything about the CPA marketing. So I will make another video. If you want to join MaxBounty, I have my affiliate link in the video description. You can check this out, and that will help you quickly get approved without any problem. So I hope you like what you've seen so far. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and take care. Goodbye.